Hi kids! Today we're going to draw a frog with lots of action. This one is jumping right off its lily pad, and the best part is it's made from some really simple shapes. Let's get started. Let's begin by drawing the frog's head, which is a big circle about this size. So make some marks to plan it. Put your pencil in the middle of the paper and slowly draw a half circle down on one side. And when that's done, then do the same thing on the other. Notice I am working with center pencil guidelines on my paper. They're also on all of my tutorials, and I do think they really help you see where to draw. The frog's body is just a big U shape that goes underneath the head, so I'm making some marks to plan mine. And when I'm done, I'm putting my pencil underneath the head on one side and drawing half of the U shape down to the middle. And when that's done, I'm going to do the other side and try to match it. Let's move on to the frog's arms, which are outstretched. We can begin with two straight lines like this. Then add a simple frog hand with some pointy fingers and finish them off with little circles at the tips. The other frog arm can be drawn the same way, starting with two lines. Then add a little frog hand here too, with the pointy fingers and the circles at the end. Moving down, let's start the leg on the right with a bend to it. We can finish with a foot shape that looks a lot like the hands, with the pointy tips, and then those little circle balls at the end here too. After one leg is done, we can start the other one the same way, just bending in the other direction, and then adding the frog foot with the pointy tips and little circles. Now we can move on to the frog's eyes, which are kind of a cartoon style near the top of the head. Just draw two large ovals like this that are touching each other. And when you're done, erase the headlines that are inside. Add curves near the top for the eyelids and finish with a dot inside each eye. The nostrils are just two small ovals underneath those eyes. And the mouth just looks kind of like a wide V shape going across the head. Now for our background, let's start by drawing a slightly wavy, watery line near the top of the paper. If we draw a large, wide oval shape underneath the frog and finish with a little V shape cut out of it, that makes for a really simple and easy lily pad. Now, if we repeat that shape and draw a few more lily pads in the background and make them a little smaller, it'll give our picture some perspective and space. And just to make sure that this looks like water, let's add just a few wavy lines here and there. Please feel free to add any other details you can think of. I'm going to finish this drawing off with just adding a sun up at the top right corner. Okay, after our pencil is done, we need to take a black marker and trace all of those lines so they show up really well. After the tracing is all finished, then don't forget to get out an eraser and get rid of any pencil lines that are still showing. If you'd like to make a spotted frog like mine, then you need to start with the dark green crayon first and make dots wherever you want them to be. Notice I also colored those little circles in the dark green color too. And while that dark green crayon is out, that's a good color for the lily pads also. Now comes the fun part, I think, getting that yellow-green crayon and then filling in your frog really well. Press hard and color right over those green spots. They'll still show up. My background is going to be blue, of course, for the water, but I'm using just a medium pressure here, and I'll explain why in the next step. Once your water is filled with a kind of medium shade of blue, then it's really easy to go back and press extra hard under those wave lines to create a little quick shadow. One tip here, if you only have one blue crayon, then just use that same crayon for the sky and press lighter than you did for the water. It'll still look like it's a separate shade of color. The last thing to do is to add some bright yellow color to the sun. So there's our finished drawing showing a cute frog jumping from a lily pad. I like that it has all the necessary parts to look like a frog, but still leaves some creative fun with that cute cartoon face. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more animal video drawing lessons just like this one, including how to draw a penguin, a sea turtle, and a shark. I hope you check them out too.